Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a site visit at the Bellevue Hotel. Owned by pioneer George C. Bolt, the Bellevue Hotel was built in 1886 and opened in 1904 and is the only Philadelphia hotel to earn its place on the National Register of Historic Places. Just look at all the moldings and brasswork, the marble and gilded accents. I absolutely loved it here. Enjoy a power lunch in the Cameo Room. Experience dinner in the Pearl Room, complimented by skyline views, or sit down to an extravagant brunch. Now, the Pearl chandelier was the absolutely most beautiful thing I have ever seen in my life. Pictures do not do it justice. You have to see it in person and up close. It's absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy fine wine, local beers on draft, and craft cocktails with daily happy hours at the lounge. One of many meeting spaces. Each floor is adorned with photos of famous Philadelphians. That's Grace Kelly. Get ready to experience luxury in the Bellevue Suite. This large suite spans 831 square feet and features a marble foyer, sculpted chaise, parquet wood floors, and a king bedroom. The ensuite bath gave me spa vibes. I really liked it. This is the Art Suite. At 881 square feet, this grand suite features living and dining areas, a king bedroom, parquet wood floors, an expansive workspace, and city views. This suite is so sought after, it requires specialty booking. The City View King Room overlooks historic Philadelphia and includes a work area. The conservatory is a 7-story atrium with a working fountain. It's modeled after an alfresco village garden and fits up to 225 guests. This gorgeous space gets tons of natural light and is probably my favorite space in the hotel. This magnificent space can hold up to 1,450 guests. The Grand Ballroom is the ideal space for wedding receptions, galas, and conferences. The ballroom's lounge area features an original window and moldings. It's like so super glam and gilded age. I absolutely love that room. So the Bellevue's room rates do vary. During the low season, rooms start at about $129 per night. During the high season, which is between March and June and the month of December, rates start at around $200 per night. Thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more insider reviews of Philly's best luxury hotels.